Hello children, how are you? Very good morning. Today's topics our wonderful body. CBSC from this part taken from CBSC class 3rd part 1. Our wonderful body. Class 3rd for this topics for class 3rd standard CBSC pattern. So before start this topic, I will request you please subscribe, like and more share and press red button. Hope all are well and welcome to our channel Science Fact. So let's start without any wasting time. This is diagram of lungs. You can draw in your notebook. I had already drawn here lungs. Lungs are the organs that help us to breathe. Do you know children? Keep in our mind. In your mind, lungs are organs that help us to breathe. This is the lungs. You can draw easily. In your notebook. Lungs are the organs that help us to breathe. Okay. Next, blood. Blood is a liquid that flows in our body. It carries food and oxygen to the whole body. This is a blood. RBC. The blood is a liquid that flows in our body. Blood is found in liquid form in our body. It carries what is the function of blood? Blood carries food and oxygen to the whole body. Okay, so blood is very essential connective tissue in our body. The blood is a liquid that flows in our body. It carries food and oxygen to the whole body. And third point, joints. Here this diagram joints you can draw easily in your notebook. This is a joints. Very easily showing this diagram. I had already draw here and you can draw in your notebook. The joints is the place in the human body where two bones meet. Joints is the place in the human body where two bones meets. This is the 1 and 2. Two bones meets. This point is called joint. So let's revise part 1. Our wonderful body. Class 3rd. We will take in some body internal organs. Body of internal organs. Lungs are organs that help us to breathe. This is a lung. You can easily draw in your notebook. This is a blood. Blood is a liquid that flows in our body. Blood is a liquid that flows in our body. It carries food and oxygen to the whole body. Okay. Blood carries food and oxygen to the whole body. And next, joints. Joints is the place in the human body where two bones meet. Joints is the place where in the human body where two bones meet. Joint is the place in the human body where two bones meet. And second part we will come. This is a second part, our wonderful body. Skull. We will take in this part of body, skull. The skull is the bony case which protects the brain. Here we already draw here. This is a skull of our body. You can draw in your notebook. This is a skull. The skull, what is a skull? How can define? The skull is the bony case. Skull is the bony case which protects our brain. The skull is the bony case which protects our brain. Kidney. This is a kidney. Already draw here. You can draw in your notebook. Kidney are bean shaped that help in removing waste product from our body. Okay. Kidney is a bean shape. Kidney are bean shaped. Here you can see in this diagram. Kidney are bean shaped And what is the function of kidney? Main function, the kidney helps in removing waste product from our body. Kidney helps in removing waste from our body. Kidney help in removing waste product from our body. So kidney are bean shaped and help in removing waste product from our body. And next point, next, saliva. Saliva is the gland present in our mouth. Do you know? Saliva is liquid present in our mouth. Saliva is the liquid present in our mouth that helps in digestion the food we eat. Okay. Saliva is a liquid material present in our mouth and secreted by salivary gland. Salivary gland situated in our mouth and that helps in digestion the food we eat. Saliva helps in digestion the food we eat. So let's revise. Skull. The skull is the bony case which protects the brain. Okay. The skull is the bony case which protects the brain. This is a skull. You can easily draw in your notebook. And this is a kidney. Kidney are bean shaped and that help in removing waste from our body. This is a main function. Kidney help in removing waste from our body. You can easily note down in your notebook. Okay. And saliva. Saliva is the liquid present in our mouth that helps in digestion the food we eat. Okay. Saliva is the liquid material present in our mouth that helps in digestion the food we eat. Secreted in salivary gland present in our mouth. So this is a very interesting fact. Some our wonderful body, class 3rd and 2nd and 3rd. And increase your knowledge with this video and easily note down this content in your notebook and draw this diagram. So I will request you again, please like, subscribe and more share and press red button and increase your knowledge with this content. This topic taken from NCERT EVS book standard 3rd. So you can easily learn and very interesting fact. Skull, kidneys, part 2 में in part 2 skull, kidney and saliva, and part 1 already taken lungs, blood and joint. So this is a diagram of lungs, blood and joint. You can draw and you can note down this content. So we will finish here this video. I will come next video, very interesting, with next chapter and very including very interesting facts of topics. And please subscribe, like and more share. Be safe, think positive, do positive, stay in home, and God bless. Take care. Always think positive. Thank you. Goodbye.